Are you still holding on to the same haircut, not realizing it might be aging you faster in 2026? Because this spring, the right cut and color can instantly lift your face, soften your features, and make your hair look fuller without trying too hard. In this video, I'm walking you through the 10 spring haircut and color trends that are taking over for women over 50 and more importantly, how to actually make them work for your hair, your face, and your lifestyle. Let's start with the soft layered bob as the first haircut on the list because this is where most transformations begin. This is a softer version of the classic bob with light, blended layers that move naturally instead of sitting stiff. If your hair feels flat or heavy, this cut brings back shape without needing much styling. Fine hair keeps minimal layers to maintain fullness, while thicker hair uses internal layering to remove bulk without making the ends look uneven. For color, keep it soft and dimensional instead of flat. Add light pieces around the face and top so the hair catches light and looks fuller when it moves. If you are blending grey, fine highlights mixed with your natural base help soften regrowth and add a healthy shine. Chin length gives a more lifted, defined look, while shoulder length feels softer and easier for everyday wear. Now, if you want something more textured and relaxed, let's move into the second haircut, which is the modern shag. This version is softer and more wearable, focused on natural movement instead of heavy styling, which makes it easier to maintain day to day and works especially well if your waves or curls have changed and feel harder to control. The short version is a soft pixie shag. Medium version sits around the collarbone with curtain layers that open the face. And the key is controlled layering so the hair still holds shape without looking thin or messy. For color, go with soft highlights that follow the layers so the movement shows when the hair shifts. If you are blending grey, let some show on top and soften the rest with lowlights for depth. And if you want something softer around the face without committing to full layers, let's move into the third haircut, and that is the face framing layers. This is an easy update without losing length. The layers start around the cheekbones or jawline and curve inward, softening the face and giving a natural lift without looking styled. It works especially well if you tie your hair back because the front pieces stay out and naturally frame the face instead of pulling everything away. It suits long, medium, or soft bob lengths, with the only change being where the shortest piece starts based on face shape. For color, place lighter pieces at the front so they brighten the face instantly. If you are blending grey, keep the front softer so the grow out looks seamless. You can style by blow, drying the front pieces inward with a round brush or letting them fall naturally behind the ears. Now let's move into the soft version of the butterfly cut as the fourth haircut on the list. While face framing layers mainly focus on soft pieces around the front to highlight and open up the face and keep the rest of the hair mostly the same length, the butterfly cut is more structured throughout. It uses a mix of shorter layers on top and longer layers underneath to create overall volume, bounce, and a more noticeable layered shape, not just framing at the front. For color, this cut looks best with a soft dimension. Add lighter pieces through the top layers so the shape becomes more visible. If you are blending grey, keep the top slightly brighter and let the underneath stay deeper for contrast. A quick blow dry with volume at the front is enough to show the layers. If you want something shorter but still soft, let's move into the fifth haircut, the tapered crop. This is a short style that sits close to the head but still keeps a feminine shape. It stays clean around the neckline, which instantly makes the whole look feel more lifted and put together without much effort. The back is gently tapered so it hugs the nape, while the top is left slightly longer. That extra length is what keeps it from looking flat and gives you natural movement instead of a tight helmet shape. For color, the soft dimension makes a big difference here. Add subtle highlights on the top section, especially at the crown, so the shape catches light and does not look flat. If you are blending grey, avoid even full coverage. Let the top stay a bit brighter and soften the sides with a slightly deeper tone so the cut looks more sculpted and modern. And the styling is simple. Let's get into the sixth haircut. This long bob with curtain bangs will keep some length but bring softness back around the face. This long bob with curtain bangs adds softness and movement around the face, unlike the sleek bob, which is all about a smooth, one-length, polished finish with a sharp, controlled outline. Instead of a structured, straight silhouette, it introduces face-framing bangs and a more relaxed shape that makes the overall look feel lighter, more open. The length stays practical, long enough to tie back, short enough to feel lighter and more modern around the neck and shoulders. For color, place lighter pieces through the bangs and front sections to brighten the face instantly. Styling is quick too. You can blow dry the bangs with a round brush or fingers, part them while warm, and add a slight bend at the ends for a soft finish. If you want a shape that feels more polished and full while still keeping movement, let's talk about the rounded layers as the seventh haircut on our list. Unlike the soft layered bob, which focuses on light movement and a natural, effortless shape, the rounded layers are more structured and intentional in their form. Instead of simply adding softness, this cut is designed to build a rounded silhouette that visibly lifts the hair and creates a fuller, more sculpted look around the face. For color, this cut comes alive with soft dimension. Think subtle highlights mixed with your base shade so the round shape is more visible when the light hits it. A slight variation in tone makes the layers stand out without looking streaky. Styling is simple but important. A round brush blow dry, lifting at the sides and slightly turning the ends inward, is enough to bring the shape back into place. Even a quick pass with a blow dryer and your fingers can help reset the volume at the crown. If you want something with more movement and a more relaxed texture, let's move into the eighth haircut on the list, which is the shoulder-length shaggy layers. Unlike the modern shag, which has more deliberate layering and a stronger focus on texture and shape around the crown and face, the shoulder-length shaggy layers are softer and more uniform throughout. Instead of creating a bold, edgy silhouette, this version keeps the movement subtle and blended, making it feel more natural, relaxed, and easy to wear every day. For color, lived-in highlights work best here. The placement follows the layers, so when the hair moves, you see a soft dimension instead of a flat block of color. Styling can stay very minimal. A light scrunch with a soft styling cream, then air drying or diffusing, keeps the texture soft and natural without stiffness. For the ninth haircut, the sleek one-length cut will work for you if you prefer something more controlled and polished with a stronger outline. This is a clean, even cut with no visible layers, designed to make the hair look thicker and more uniform. It works especially well if your hair has become finer and you want more density at the ends. The blunt line creates a strong visual weight that makes the hair appear fuller overall. The simplicity of this cut is what makes it powerful. There are no distractions, just a solid shape that frames the face in a very clean way. Keep everything soft and blended for the color. Too many highlights can break up the density and make fine hair look even thinner. A subtle gloss or slight tonal variation is enough to add shine and keep it from looking flat. Styling can be a straight finish, or a slight tuck behind the ears keeps it looking neat and modern without effort. And for the number 10 haircut, the layered mid-length cut will bring everything into balance between shape, movement, and length. This cut sits between the shoulders and chest and uses soft, blended layers to create movement without losing too much weight. It is one of the most balanced options because it still feels feminine and versatile while adding enough structure to prevent heaviness. The layers start lower down, so the fullness stays through the mid-lengths and ends instead of collapsing at the top. This helps the hair look healthier and more lifted overall. For color, soft highlights placed through the mid-lengths enhance the movement of the layers. It makes the cut look more dimensional, especially when the hair is worn down or curled. So which one feels like the kind of change you would actually try first? And if you liked this video, you will definitely enjoy this next one.